Welcome back guys. Today I am going to share with you festival fruit cookies which are favorite among the kids and are very easy to make. For making these cookies we will need 2 tablespoons brown sugar, half cup powdered sugar, 2 cups all-purpose flour, quarter teaspoon salt, 1 egg, shortening 1 cup and quarter cup any fruit jam of your choice. We will start by taking shortening in a mixing bowl and to it we will add powdered sugar. Mix it nicely with the spatula and then we will add the brown sugar. Add quarter teaspoon salt and with the help of hand blender beat it nicely until it's light and fluffy. Now add 1 egg and beat again until it's well blended. Now we will add all-purpose flour, half cup at a time, and with the help of a spatula, we will mix it. Our cookie dough is ready. Now shape the cookie dough into a disc and wrap tightly in plastic wrap. Now we will refrigerate our cookie dough for at least 1 hour. Chilling cookie dough before baking solidifies the fat in the cookies and controls the spread and shape of the cookies. Now we will preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and start shaping the dough into 1-inch balls. Make small indentation in each ball with the finger, and when all our cookies are shaped, we will fill it with the fruit jam. Now bake the cookies at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 27 minutes. Our cookies are ready. Sprinkle some powdered sugar on top and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.